Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आईआईटी गांधीनगर के द्वारा ली गई बीएड एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन 2020 का ये पेपर सॉल्यूशन है। प्रोविजनल आंसर की के बेस पर ये प्रोविजनल सॉल्यूशन है। लेट अस बिगिन। In oral communication, there is a possibility of immediate response. What is more important in oral communication? How you say it. यानी कि oral communication में आप जो बोलते हैं, जैसे बोलते हैं, वो important है। Who transmits the message in communication? Obviously, sender. Which of the following is a kind of oral communication? A phone call. जब हम किसी को फोन कॉल लगाते हैं तो हम बोल रहे होते हैं, इसलिए oral communication. Blank is the person who notices and decodes and attaches some meaning to a message. It is the receiver who is receiving the message. All communication events have a source. The effectiveness of oral communication depends on the speaker's ability to use simple language. Development of communicative skill requires both A and B, that is, clarity of thought and organization of ideas. A blank indicates the action done by the subject, that is, verb. So, verb shows the action. Verb means क्रियापद. क्रियापद क्या दर्शाता है? क्रिया जो हम कर रहे हैं वो. So that is the action. Building has been built in accordance with the new plan. New plan के मुताबिक. So that is the in accordance with is the correct answer. He crossed the broken bridge in spite of warning. Warning यानी कि चेतावनी के बावजूद उसने टूटे हुए पुल को क्रॉस किया. तो in spite of का मतलब होता है ऐसा होने के बावजूद. तो in spite of is the correct answer. Babies cry when they are hungry. Babies एक बहुवचन plural noun है, इसलिए cry आएगा. Better to be untaught than ill-taught. Ill-taught word is the adjective. The ambassador does nothing, sit idle and complain all the time, but complain all the time. Government run by the officials is called bureaucracy. हम कहते हैं ना bureaucrats, सनदी अधिकारी. What is the full form of CAI? Computer Assisted Instruction. कंप्यूटर की मदद से शिक्षण. The full form of CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. What is not the input in the computer? Input device. तो कीबोर्ड इनपुट है, कैमरा भी इनपुट है, माउस भी इनपुट है. सो प्रिंटर इज आउटपुट डिवाइस. What is the full form of MOOC? That is Massive Online Open Course. What is the extension of photo or image in computer as a file? JPEG is photo image extension. MP4, MPEG and AVI are the video files. What is Windows? Windows is operating system. How can you recognize that the website is of educational institution? तो उसके वेबसाइट के URL के एंड में .edu होता है डोमेन नेम, तो उसे हम पहचान सकते हैं कि वो एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट है. By which option objects can be given the animation? It is custom animation. What is used to connect internet? Modem, obviously. Which is the basic networking system? Local area network, that is basic networking system. ज़्यादा लैन मिलके मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क बनते हैं. ज़्यादा मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क मिलके वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क बनते हैं. ये सारे छोटे छोटे लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क से मिलके ही बनते हैं. तो लैन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Which software is useful for developing presentation? Microsoft PowerPoint. Which of the following is the first search engine? That is Archie. Which of the following option is used for online learning? Udemy is also an online platform. edX is also. Byju's app is also online application. If you want to find out the content on website, you can make use of search engine. Yes, search engine can show you and can find you the content. So search engine is the correct answer. Blank was the first district-wide e-literacy project in India. भारत में कौन सा पहला जिला है जिसने e-literacy project शुरू किया? अक्षय. Which state has been producing the highest coffee in India? That is Karnataka. The first English ship reached Surat port in the year 1608. How many members are nominated by the President of India? 12. भारत के राष्ट्रपति द्वारा राज्यसभा में कितने मेंबर नॉमिनेट किए जाते हैं? 12. Where the headquarter of ICC is? ICC का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? दुबई में. Which is the first talkie film of India? टॉकिंग फिल्म यानी कि बोलती फिल्म. आलम आरा पहली भारतीय बोलती फिल्म थी. Which is the oldest mountain range in the world? That is अरवल्ली. अरवल्ली दुनिया में सबसे प्राचीन गिरिमाला यानी कि माउंटेन रेंज कही जाती है. After which battle the English rule was established in India? प्लासी. प्लासी पहला युद्ध था जिसके बाद अंग्रेज भारत में आए और उनकी सत्ता स्थापित हुई. 10 December is celebrated as which day? Human Rights Day. 10 दिसंबर मानव हक दिन के तौर पर मनाया जाता है. In which faculty सुशांत सिंह राजपूत was studying? He was a student of engineering. सुशांत सिंह राजपूत इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहे थे. Who has made the metro rail project success in India? E. Sridhar. In which year mobile services were incepted? कब मोबाइल सर्विस भारत में शुरू हुई? 1995 में. Who passed away on 3rd July 2020? That is in relation to Indian film industry. सरोज खान जो कोरियोग्राफर थी भारतीय फिल्म उद्योग की, 3 जुलाई को उसकी मौत हुई. Who is Human Resource Development Minister of India? That is Ramesh Nishank Pokhriyal. Who is the Governor of Gujarat? देवव्रत आचार्य. उसके पहले ओपी कोहली थे. शिवराज सिंह चौहान is the Chief Minister of which state? That is मध्य प्रदेश. If 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6, then what is x? 3x divided by 2 equal to 6. So x means 4. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 divided by 5. Then 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 3. So the answer will be 2 by 5. What percentage of 3 kg is 240 gram? 8. Find out the odd from the following figures. 31. What is the cube root घनमूल of 125? That is 5. 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 10 plus 5 minus 4, that is 9. If the number is divided by number itself, what shall be the effect on number? None of the above. 2 means 4, so 3 means 6. Because 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 3 plus 3 is 6. When number is multiplied with the same number, it means it is the square of the number. It is वर्ग कहा जाता है. What is the square root of 16? That is 4. How many digits are there in maths? 10, 1 to 9 and 0. That is called decimal. How many seconds are there for 25 minutes? 1500 seconds. If a traveler walks 4 km from point A towards north and then turns toward east for 3 km and reaches point C, then at what distance traveler is from point A? 5 km. There are 2 goats ahead and 2 goats behind, and 1 goat ahead and 1 behind. How many goats are there? There are only 3. What is the lowest number of 2-digitory number? That is 10. Which of the following is the Roman number of 50? that is L. LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12, that is LaSalle. A quadrilateral whose two opposite sides are parallel is called parallelogram. Multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer gives negative integer. What is the complementary angle of an angle? 45, that is 45. A survey of 40 children shows that 25% of them like to play football. So how many children like to play football? 10%. Solution of equation 2x minus 3 equal to 7 will be x will be 5. Which of the following statement is incorrect for a rectangle? Measurement of its each side is the same. What is the volume of a 4 centimeter side cube? 16 cubic cm. What will be the interest amount of 10,000 for 2 years at the interest rate of 15 per annum? That is 3,000. What is the function of seed drill? Sowing of seeds. બીજની વાવણી કરવી. The reason why bread or idli dough rises, that is yeast. Y-E-S-T. What is PET? Polyester. When was the Project Tiger implemented? April 1, 1973. The intensity of sound is shown in decibel. Which of the following is not responsible for acid rain? Carbon monoxide. Which liquid is used in a thermometer? Mercury. Which of the following is not an acidic substance? Baking soda. Which of the following devices does not use an electric cell? Fuse. Who was the first to notice the magnetic effect of electric current? Ostrid. Layer of ozone is located at the height of 25 to 40 km over and above crust of earth. Jigar, black, khadar, bangar are related to which of the following options? That is soil. On which circles do the sun's rays fall directly on June 21 and December 22? A, Tropic of Cancer, B, Equator, C, Tropic of Capricorn, and South Pole. That is A and C is the correct answer. Choose the right option for the merits of the 9 gems adorning Akbar's court. Peji, Siddhast Kavi, Hamam, famous Hakim, Abdul Rahim, dark-witted, Mulla Dopia, Hindi, Padrachanakar. A and B. Where do you have to go if you don't get justice in the land dispute in the Taluka court? In the district civil court. Which of the following pair of freedom fighters is believed to have spent the last year of their lives in Gujarat? Mangal Pandey, Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kumar Singh, Nana Sahib Peshwa, T. Nana Sahib Peshwa and Tatya Tope. So D is the right answer. Which is the newspaper and weekly started by Bipin Chandra Pal? Vande Mataram, New India. Which of the following citizenship is granted to a citizen of India? Union only. Who is involved in the affairs of the state, governor, chief minister and cabinet? Which leader did not guide the masses in the Mahagujarat movement? Sardar Patel. Which of the following statements is correct? Syllabus is a part of curriculum. The most appropriate purpose of learning is modification of behavior. The students who keep on asking questions in the class should be advised to meet the teacher after the class so that he can satisfy them by the answer. Gandhi's overall social and environmental philosophy is based on human beings' welfare. Attitudes, concepts and skills and knowledge are products of learning. If your students don't like your subject, what will you think? My teaching is not satisfactory. What is the full form of DIET? District Institute of Education and Training? A. Which one of the following is more required to become a teacher? Patience. Yes. Which of the following activities should be preferred in the beginning of the class? Making them play word game. वर्गखंड में पीरियड की शुरुआत में कौन सी एक्टिविटी करनी चाहिए? It is a confusing answer, I think. Making them play a word game is a bit confusing answer, but that is what given in the provisional answer key. Value education can be imparted in the best manner to the learners if teacher demonstrate that value in the classroom and the school. Right to education is one of the principles of educational philosophy of Gandhiji. A student was not coming to the school for 5 days. Today he has come to the school. First of all, what will you do? I will call him personally and talk to him first, check what has happened to him. The main study of a teacher is to take care of learning in the students. A student of standard 11 receives 95 marks out of 100 in the subject of English in the annual examination. How will you interpret this as a teacher? He has achieved most of the learning objectives decided by the teacher. Discussion and debate method of teaching is more appropriate for higher secondary. Two students are talking again and again in the classroom. What will your action do? I will talk to them and try to know the reasons why they are talking too much. Teaching of content and skill is different but related to each other. Why should we ask questions in the classroom? It is answer actually D. It is not appropriately showing in the format. D is the correct answer actually. To find the attention of the students. The biggest challenge in online education is all of the above. Online evaluation is difficult. Internet network problems. Teaching of some skill and values. All of them are the problems. Who is the head of education department at national level? Minister of MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Why should a person decide to become a teacher? Because one has some good skills and qualities required for a teacher. Video conferencing is a part of the online classroom. The students have forgotten to bring the textbooks in the classroom. What will you do? I will initiate a group discussion related to the next topic. Which of the following is not a term related to our education system? That is educational goals. Which of the following is not the method of teaching? Online teaching method is just a medium of teaching through online. What is the major drawback of the examination system in India? I assess memory of the students. सिर्फ students की memory assess की जाती है. The students will learn better if a teacher relates his subject to the day-to-day life experiences. Who is the head of the primary school's DPO, that is District Primary Education Officer? Which students require special attention in a classroom? A and B. Students who never speak in the class, yes, they need attention. Students who always answer questions, they also need attention. Because they are brilliant students. How can students be motivated to use the library, school library? Assign them some tasks based on some books in the library. So these are the 120 questions based on the provisional answer key published by the IIT. I have not discussed the questions and the answers in detail. But I wanted just to present the answers of the questions. Keep watching the videos. Thank you.